Kawasuru ranjo weche motene kod mago mag pur. Jopur manitiere gwenge mag ugwe mar piny Kenya koro ikwayo mondo oti kod kothe mopuodhi mar medo yuto magi kowuok e puothe. Koloso Machakos e kinde puonjo jopur motelo ne kinde mag pidho cham, Director mar kambi mar Bayer East Africa John Kanyingi oyango ne chal mar kor lwasi ma osebedo kalokore kinde ka kinde e gwenge mag Ukambani. Koro biro chuno jopur mondo oti kod kothe mopuodhi. Omedo ni kothe mabandia osebedo ka kelo lal ne jopur ahinya to e kinde ma nitiere pek mar ngima, kendo winjo bed ni gitudore kod duol mar Kefis mar neno ni kothe mabandia oked godo e chirni ma pacho ka.
Fake seed, as you've pointed out, is a big challenge to the farmers because it does not only destroy the farmer, confidence in what they are growing, but also you can imagine a farmer going through a whole season with fake seed and therefore they do not get what they were planting for. Means it's an economic challenge. It's also heartbreaking to find the smallholder farmers who rely on this maize seed for their food. So what we are doing is, in collaboration with the government, and here I would probably just pick out Kefis, we run a campaign of counterfeits to sensitize farmers against counterfeit seeds.
How do we ensure that our farmers have the right inputs? Then secondly, of course, getting the right input is one thing, but also ensure working with our distributors, our retailers across the country to ensure that, in as much as the seed is available, but it's also accessible to farmers in the right quality.